We're traveling to Berlin, where we're about to host and organize a Codex meetup together with OpenAI. And this week, we actually have 3 meetups on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The one that we're traveling to right now in Berlin is the one we organize with OpenAI. The reason we're hosting this is I'm one of the Codex ambassadors, so I am sort of responsible for getting the community together, something that I've been doing for the past 10 years. Super excited to travel to Berlin, meet with everybody, and then do the same with Wrocław. So if you want to bring us to your city, let me know in the comments. But meanwhile, let's get to work, and we'll see each other right in a moment from Berlin.
What's up, Mike?
The second meetup in Berlin we're doing, right? We have quite a nice custom-made badges we made ourselves. I don't know, maybe they'll be part of the SDK or the swag kit for other events as well. This is pretty sick. Just look at that. Gotta say, this is pretty awesome. Actually, this whole space is a co-working space. So all those places I'm up there, those balconies, these are places where people are actually doing work right now, which is pretty sick. The venue is up for 100 people, so hopefully we will squeeze everybody in. There was like around 200 people that signed up in a matter of day. Honestly, I was surprised. Typically, we do those events in Wrocław, and tomorrow and on Thursday, you'll see the same stuff happening in Wrocław, which is much smaller city, much smaller community. So the stage is also going to be quite sick, honestly. The agenda is pretty simple. We have 3 hours. I'm going to open up the meetup. We're going to have one person from OpenAI to do a quick presentation as well. And then we will have community demos. And I'm actually quite excited to see what the people bring to the table. And hopefully we'll have fun, we'll share something, and we'll learn something new. It's pretty sick. So with 25 minutes to go, let's see how people are gathering up with this nice quick video, and then I'll meet you right here on stage. Typically on those meetups, engineers show up, and this time, different people show up from different pieces from software industry, including graphic designers, talking how to use Codex and Figma. So that's pretty sick. I'll just plug my laptop in a second, and we will be ready to go. We'll take this time to unbox the pizza before everybody else. It's really high quality pizza. I love it. There was this guy who back in the day, all the guy did was go to a meetup every day in San Francisco, just eat pizza. Probably very unhealthy, but the joke was that he didn't have to do any meals for himself. He was just living off the meetups. I wanted to thank OpenAI for this beautiful initiative of bringing us all together. Proud to be the ambassador and having support from the OpenAI team and Codex teams to bring you all here. And by the way, in case we're not hosting in Berlin, Wrocław is only 3-hour drive, and you can also get there by train. It's a nice place. If you haven't been there, definitely recommend. Otherwise, we'll see you in Berlin. Let's have a beautiful networking session. Thank you so much for coming. We are almost done. The only inconvenience is that the pizza arrived 45 minutes ago. Right, you can see it's getting loud outside, so let's go through this room and see what's going on there. As you can see, people are having a lot of fun. The networking is happening. Let's go outside because this is pretty loud. If you have any questions up until this point about the behind the scenes, or you just want to know when is the next time we'll be back in Berlin, let me know in the comments. And meanwhile, I can see Mateusz is already prepping up there. Hello Mateusz, don't be afraid, come. And by the way, this is the guy behind all those events. Sometimes I feel, even though we are a software company, we were like hosting events all the time. 3 events this week and
Working on tech events. 24/7.
bro, like I think there's gonna be the ones in the SF in New York are gonna be fun. If people like this video, maybe we'll have to take LA of us.
You want to go to America?
I think he doesn't mind. Yeah, that wraps the Berlin part, and let's transition to Wrocław. We are getting started. The Vercel meetup. So today is Wednesday. Today is the second meetup from the 3-day series. This one is going to be with Vercel about AI SDK. So everything that concerns running AI apps with different libraries from Vercel team. We're just getting the office set up. This is the place where we'll have the pizza. And as you can see, the kitchen area is slowly being transformed into a proper meetup venue. We'll see that a bit later. Meanwhile, on that occasion, I can give you a little tour of the office. This is the sort of the entry room. We have this beautiful site, and here is the fun part, all the different cloaks we've been making ever since. I think the first one is from perhaps 2017, and then 2018, 25, so a lot of stuff. A couple of different conference rooms, and my office. I go to many different conferences, and I also like cars, as you can tell by this beautiful clock. Going forward, yeah, that's pretty much what it is. A couple of posters. So that's the office. And yeah, it's 5 p.m. so we have an hour to go, and in about an hour we'll have around 85 attendees, slightly less than yesterday. But obviously this is Wrocław and Berlin, so I think it's expected, and it will be fun. Hello, and welcome to this AI SDK meetup with Vercel. You probably learned something exciting today, which is cool. And yeah, just enjoy, and hope you will have great evening today. Great. Thanks so much to all of you for those great presentations, and to all of you for all those great questions. Thank you so much for coming, and hopefully see you next time. Yeah, we're supposed to kick off the meetup like 5 minutes ago, but we've been sitting in this place for like 8 hours and we didn't really move. We have like 3 hackathon projects we're trying to ship as we speak. Actually, one will maybe hopefully ship during or after the hackathon, which is called evals for React Native. But we also have some other undisclosed projects that hopefully by the time this is live is already out, but we will see, because this is the 3rd time we're writing that from scratch. You know, we should probably slowly get going and welcome everybody. And yeah, we'll see. One of the speakers is sick. Thankfully, we have Piotr, and Piotr will do a demo as well. So should be fun. Hello, everybody. We can slowly get started. If I was eating all this food every day throughout those 3 meetups, I would not look good. Pizza is nice, but if you're hosting meetups every day, it's definitely not recommended. Oh my god, this is so exciting. As you've seen, like, I'm actually genuinely impressed that we made it like I made it. Hopefully my performance was okay-ish, because I sat in that room at 9 a.m. and I left at 5. And as you've seen, we've been busy shipping some stuff. In fact, we just shipped a new project. And I was thinking, if you are interested in seeing some of the backstages as we plan, work with agents and schedule different projects and sort of go together with us through the release of many different projects under our open source umbrella, let us know, and we'll make sure that we document some of that stuff genuinely. Other than that, I think, it's slowly the time to wrap up, but let's check up on our friends. How are you doing, GroupTech? Look at him, he's alive. After 3 days, he's still alive, huh? He has some things we don't show on the video that make him look good, huh?
How are you doing, man?
I'm doing good.
Hosting?
It's like this dopamine shot. On Friday evening, I will just die. Cool, yes. So as you can see, busy. It's one of those days where this office actually has people, because otherwise we're all working remotely. Let's see, because I think Michał will be wrapping up in like a few minutes, and it would not be good if he was like, I'm done, and the host was not there. So let's go and see how he's doing. I'm super excited to see all of you. This is probably one of the very first, if not the first meetup that we're doing that is not React and React Native related strictly. And so I'm super excited that this room is full, many questions, and everybody seems like you guys are having good time so far. So I hope that this remains the same. Yeah, follow us on Luma or Twitter, whatever. Just make sure you don't miss the next event. If you feel like maybe talking about something you work on at the next event, not strictly Codex related, DM me or let me know. Meanwhile, enjoy the food, drinks, stay for as long as you need, and see you next time, and thanks for coming once again. And that is a wrap.